Metalloboranes. It is one of the part we will discuss here about metalloboranes. Metalloboranes are the compound in which the boranes contain metal atom. Okay, they are formed by metals, boron, and hydrogens. Okay, so in this there is a presence of metal and boron bond cluster. In this compound, metalloboranes, there is a presence of metal boron bond. Therefore, they are called as metalloboranes. Okay, in this uh, when boron hydride or boranes, higher boranes, they are reacted with the metals. So metal is being added or added to the borane through hydrogen bridge. Okay, hydrogen bridge means there is a BHB bonds. Through BHB bonds, it is being added. Okay, so and in this metalloboranes, as we told that we had discussed, there is a direct metal-metal bond present. For example, you see there is one example of metalloborane. There is an icosahedral structure. There is a this uh, you see there is aluminium as a metal in this, which is present in this metalloboranes, which give you the simple example of metalloboranes and how it is prepared. So the acidic hydrogens, which is present in the higher boranes, there is a bridge hydrogen that always undergoing to breakage. We know because three center two electron bonds. That is called as abnormal bond or abnormal covalent bond. That abnormal covalent bond, sorry, that abnormal covalent bond which is present, that is what BHB bond. This is the abnormal bond. Okay, BHB bond. It is what? It is the very abnormal bond. The reason is what? These three centers and two electrons. From this part to this part, there are only two electrons. Only two electrons. Therefore, it is a very loose bond, weak bond, and hence any nucleophile can easily attack and that break this. Any nucleophile, okay, break this bond. And therefore, when metal attack here, metal also attack that bond, BHB bond, and insertion of metal takes place. Fine. See, example is see before you when you react this borane, this it was B11H15. It was B11H15 by reacting with the uh, different base. It has removed. There is a removal of two hydrogens. Therefore, it is the B11H13, which uh, reacts with this dimer of trimethyl aluminium. Okay, it's a dimer of trimethyl aluminium, and on hitting that will give you there is an insertion of aluminium. There is an insertion of aluminium through the BHB bonds, and there is a formation of uh, metalloboranes. So you should write at least about metalloborane this much. Okay. See, very good example is here. So you can think about it, how it is going to form. So very simple. There was a bridge bond, bridge hydrogen, and the bridge hydrogen undergoing breakage, and we will get like this compound. This is the structure. That is the structure of another borane. It is a metalloborane. See, when this B5H9, that is what B5H9 is the again B5H9 is the nidoborane. When he is heated with iron pentacarbonyl, heated with iron pentacarbonyl, that iron pentacarbonyl reacts with this borane and there is an insertion of metal across the BHB bond. You see BHB bond, and there is a formation of this metalloborane of iron based. Okay, and you see there is a loss of few carbonyl also from this iron. Always there is a loss of certain ligands. Or, for example, in this example, you see there are three methyl to aluminium. You see, if you write you draw aluminium, so there are three methyls, one, two, three. like this for aluminum, and this when react with the boron, there is a loss of total 4 methyl, means 2 methyl. From one aluminum, 2 methyl loss takes place. This 1 and 2 methyl loss. Only one methyl is going with the aluminum in the metal boron. Similarly, when we go for the this particular metal boron in which the iron pentacarbonyl, this one, iron pentacarbonyl is reacted with the boron. So how many carbonyl going to loss? So you can imagine, you can judge from here. You can judge from here. So in this is the dimer Al2CH3 by 6. When this undergo into pyrolysis, it will form monomer. This AlCH3 by thrice. So we can write like this: AlCH3, CH3, CH3. So aluminum will form two bond with the, see why, what we have learned, acidic hydrogen is going to remove from where there is a BHB bond. So this BHB, this bond is going to break, right? H, and this position is taken by aluminum. This position is taken by aluminum, so therefore two bond will always be there, and therefore aluminum will lose this two methyl, and hence it will form the metalloboron with the given boron, and there is loss of two methyl groups. Similarly, if you look at the this metalloborons containing iron by forming reacting a B5H9 with the iron pet, so similar thing will happen, just like what we have learned for that is a reaction between this bridge bond, so see, a reaction between this bridge bond and carbonyl, iron pentacarbonyl. So see, iron, one carbonyl, another carbonyl, another carbon, five carbonyl. So there is a removal of this H, and this removal of two bonds always takes place. Remember, two bonds will be lost from the metal compound, okay, and there is a formation of like this compound that is called as a metalloboron. That is called as metalloboron. Fine. And let's see, another point is what the